Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are in Miami, which is of course USA, the States, and we are heading towards Miami Beach, which is must to go. And we will explore likewise all the streets and local stuff, whichever we come across. So right now I am standing near my window, and I want to show you the window view, which is so beautiful. So have a look around. So this is my window view. You can see how pretty this is. There is actually a golf court which you can see, and this is the hotel swimming pool. Now we are headed towards Miami South Beach, and we are on our way. So while we are heading, let me tell you something about Miami. This is the only US city that was founded by a woman, and the name of the woman was Julia Tuttle. And this city is famous and known as Miami because there used to be a Miami tribe that used to live here in 16th and 17th centuries. And Miami is one of the most warmest city in US, especially in winters, and I think that's the reason why most of the tans and lotions, sun lotions, are actually invented in Miami. So here we are in Miami Beach. Yeah, as you've seen, I have captured these flags that are visible in the sky. They are actually not just flags; they are the advertisement campaigns. That's how they do advertisement because they know that these are like hot spots of Miami, and this is a kind of advertisement that keeps on happening in the skies of Miami. That is Winwood.
Where it is?
In Miami.
Where to go? Where to go?
You were supposed to go in downtown.
What downtown?
What is in Miami? Are you enjoying?
I feel so happy.
You are feeling on top of the world.
Yeah, this is the top of the world. Actually, this is the bottom of America, but it's the top of the world.
So we are done with Miami Beach and we are heading towards downtown, but this place is not walkable to downtown. So whenever you come to Miami Beach, please make sure that of course you need to have an Uber or your car ready. And by the way, this place right now is super expensive to go to the airport because there is some art exhibition going on and the Uber prices is almost more than $60, which is crazy. So I swear this place is so windy and we are literally walking just to save some dollars because this place is crazy expensive and this place is so windy that I can barely capture any shot and my mood is so down because I mean my hair and everything is just flying and blowing up in the air and but I have to tell you that this place is quite pretty in the nighttime. As you can see behind me, what I've shown in the video also, it is just beautiful. Look at this. This is another trouble. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this small mini vlog of Miami because I have definitely liked roaming around on the streets of Miami. It was quite a good experience. I definitely loved the chaos and this beautiful sunset. So I'll see you in my next vlog with some new memories and some new experience. Till then, stay connected. Bye bye.